Now discuss about 15th problem. This is and some changes in previous problem. Invoice price is given on cost price. So in this problem, invoice price is given on sales price. This is the variation and previous problem and this problem. Okay, listen. Srinivas of Srinagar consigned 10,000 cases of and tuned fruit and the cost is 75,000 rupees to Kiranap and Kanpur on 1/1/2020, charging him pro forma invoice price to show a profit of 25% on sales. In previous problem they says on cost. In this problem they says on sales price. So you don't know the sales price. So sales price is equal to 100. But given is cost price is equal to 75%. Why? Because sales is equal to cost plus profit. So profit is given 25%. So and sales minus profit we get the cost. The cost is 75% equal. So I will write here 100 minus percentage. In previous problem percentage by 100. In this problem percentage 100 minus percentage when they are invoice price given on sales price. This is remember one thing. Okay. Next, Srinivas is consignor and Kiran is consignee. Kiran native place is Kanpur. So it is Kanpur consignment account. Next, the cost is 75,000 rupees but invoice at 25% on sales price. So it is calculate and later. Next, Srinivas paid 6,000 rupees toward freight. These are the consignor expenses. During the half of the year ending June and Kiran incurred 4,000 rupees expenditure. Okay, they don't know, they are not given and specification recurring and non-recurring expenses, but and we are assumed that 4,000 is and recurring expenses. Recurring expenses must be recorded in consignment account only. Next, and sales is and 8,000 cases for and 82,000 rupees selling. Kiran was entitled commission 5% on sales. He has sent a demand draft for the balance due to Srinivas. Prepare ledger accounts in the books of Srinivas. Means ledger accounts in the books of consignor only. We are preparing 3 ledger accounts. One is the consignor account, consignment account, another one is consignee account, another one is goods sent on consignment account. When they are says both the parties and another account will be there in the books of consignee. This is the explanation about consignment account invoice price method on sales price. Percentage given on sales price. This must be remember one thing. Here and invoice price is given on sales price and this is remember one thing. In previous invoice price percentage given on cost price. So and what is the invoice price? Invoice price is equal to cost plus loading. Okay, how to calculate loading? When invoice price is given on sales price, loading is equal to cost into percentage by 100 minus percentage. Why? And you have to write this way. Simple say sales price SP is equal to cost plus profit. This is the and principle. And in this problem given on the cost. So how to get the cost? Cost is equal to sales price minus profit. Okay, and cost price is equal to sales price is equal to 100 minus profit is 25%. So 75% is the cost price. So this is also equal to 75%. So here and 75,000 into 25 by 100 minus 25, nothing but 75. 75 nothing but, and 1 lakh rupees is the and invoice price. 1 lakh rupees is the invoice price. So 1 lakh rupees is the invoice price, means 25% extra. Here also calculate this way, 75,000 into 25 by and 75. Next 75 means we are getting and 25,000. This is 25,000. So next invoice price is equal to 75,000 plus 25,000, nothing but 1 lakh rupees. This is the invoice price. This is the invoice price. Next, excess in invoice price, goods sent on consignment, nothing but excess in goods sent on consignment is equal to invoice price is 1 lakh rupees minus cost price is 75,000 rupees. So 25,000 rupees is excess in goods sent on consignment. Here also and calculation of closing stock. Here only 8,000 rupees, 8,000 units are sold, remaining 2,000 is unsold. Simply say 1 lakh rupees into 2,000 by 10,000. Means 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros. E0 key, E0 cancel. Means 10,000 rupees. Once again, 1 lakh rupees into 2,000 unsold, sent to 10,000. Nothing but cancellation purpose. 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros ki zeros cancel. Means 20,000. 20,000. 10 into 2, 20,000 rupees. Okay. Consignor expenses how much? Consignor expenses is 6,000 rupees. So 6,000 rupees into 2,000 by 10,000. Three zeros ki 3 zeros cancel, zeros ki 0 cancel. 600 into 2, 1200. No consignee, non-recurring expenses, total amount is 21,200 rupees. Unsold stock value. Next, here 25,000 into 2,000 by 10,000. 3 zeros, 3 0 cancel, 3 zeros. zeros ki is 0 cancel. 2500 into 2, 5000 rupees. Excess in and excess in closing stock. So write one by one. 2 goods sent on consignment account, ₹1,00,000. Here only cost price is 75, loading is 25, total ₹1,00,000. ₹1,00,000 right here. Next, consignor expenses, cash account ₹6,000. Consignee expenses, Kiran already given in the problem, ₹4,000. Next, by Kiran for sales, Kiran account for sales, 8,000 units are sold for ₹82,000 for sales. Next, by what is the including in here? ₹1,00,000, 25,000 is excess. For 25,000 rupees excess, for cancellation purpose, write here only goods sent on consignment, IP minus CP, nothing but 25,000 rupees. This is the calculation. 1,00,000 minus 75, 25,000 rupees. Next, here also calculation of unsold stock by consignment stock and 21,200 rupees. How to get 21,200 rupees? 1,00,000 into 2,000 by 10,000, you get that 20,000 rupees. 6,000 into 2,000 by 10,000, you get the 1,200 rupees. Total amount 21,200 rupees. This is. Next, per commission to Kiran account. What is the commission? 5% on sales. So 82,000 into 5 by 100, nothing but 4,100. 0, 0, 0, 0, 2 zeros cancel. So 820 into 5, 500, 5 2 is 10, 5, 40, 40 plus 141, 4,100 rupees commission. Next, what is the excess in closing stock? This is excess per goods sent on consignment for total 10,000 units. And what amount? Unsold stock proportion 2,000 units. 25 into 2,000 by 10,000, you get the 5,000 rupees is excess in closing stock. So stock reserve account amount is 5,000 rupees. This is the way we have to prepare consignment account. First of all, total them 82,000, 25,000, next 21,200 rupees. 0, 0, 2, 6 plus 2, 8, and 4 plus 8, 12, 1,28,200 rupees. 0, 0, 2, 7 plus 1, 8, 10 plus 2, 12, 1,28,200 rupees. Here 10,000 plus 1,10,000, 1 lakh, next 6,000, next 4,000, next 4,100, next 5,000. 0, 0, 1, 9 plus 3, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 6, 19, 1,19,100 rupees. This is the, so difference between credit is 1,28,200, debit is 1,19,100 rupees. 0, 0, 1, 18 minus 9, 9, 9,100 rupees is profit. 9,100 rupees is profit. So you have to write here only profit or loss account, 9,100 rupees. Here 1,28,200. Here 1,28,200 rupees. This is the problem. Next, and prepare Kiran account. Here also Kiran is there, here also Kiran is there, here also Kiran is there. So what are the transactions related to Kiran that should be recorded in the Kiran account? So here to Kanpur consignment account, amount is 82,000. By here also Kiran, Kanpur consignment, amount is 4,000 rupees per expenses. Same consignment, 4,100 rupees. Total them 82,000. 82,000. So we must deduct from that 82,000 minus 8,100 rupees. 0, 0, 9, 9, 11, 3, 7, 73,900 rupees. 73,900 rupees. In the problem they are especially mentioned, it has to send demand draft. So by bank account, this is the consignee account. And come to the goods and on consignment. Here goods and on consignment account is there. It must be record this side by Kanpur consignment account. Amount is 1 lakh rupees. Here also goods and on consignment, it will be record this side to Kanpur consignment account. Amount is 25,000 rupees. What is the difference between 1 lakh and 25,000 rupees? It will be transferred to trading account. Trading account 75,000 rupees. So 1 lakh rupees. Next 1 lakh rupees. This is the problem. Remember one thing. You have to identify in the problem invoice price, profit on cost price or profit on sales price. Profit on cost price the principle will be changed for loading. Suppose and cost price loading is equal cost into percentage by 100 only. Suppose and 25% on sales price is given, it will be just like percentage 100 minus percentage. Why write this way? Simple. SP cost price is equal cost plus profit. Cost is equal sales price minus profit. So 100 minus 25%. So 75%. Here also this is the profit percentage. This is the 100 minus percentage. Why write this way? Simply you don't know the and sales price, only you know the cost price. Cost price is equal to 75. So simply way and you must loading the and cost into 100 by cost into percentage by 100 minus percentage and write this way 75,025 by and 75 nothing but 100 minus 25, this is the 75. So you get the amount is 25,000 rupees is 25,000 rupees right here only. So invoice price is equal 75,000 plus loading 25,000, total amount is 1 lakh rupees. Remember one thing, cost is 75, percent is 25% and 100 minus 25% you get the 75. So 75 cancel 1,000 into 25, 25,000 rupees. 25,000 rupees is loading. So invoice price is equal 75 plus 25 into and 1 lakh rupees is invoice price. Invoice price must be recorded here only. So next, and excess in goods sent on consignment. 1 lakh minus 75,000. 75,000 is cost is given. 1 lakh is invoice prices and calculate as per this formula. So excess amount is 25,000 rupees. This 25,000 rupees will be recorded here only. Why? Because we are sending on excess amount. For cancellation purpose, 25,000 rupees is included here. For cancellation purpose, you have to write here only. Next, unsold stock calculation. And 1 lakh rupees for 10,000 units. For 2,000 units, how much? 1 lakh into 2,000 by 10,000, you get the 20,000 rupees. Next, the expenses is also same proportion, 6,000 into 2,000 by 10,000, you get the 1,200 rupees expenses. Consigning non-recurring expenses is not available in the problem, so nil. So total amount is 21,200 is and unsold stock value. Next, excess in closing stock value is equal excess in goods sent on consignment into unsold units by consigned units. This is the problem. 25,000 rupees excess in goods sent on consignment. 2,000 by 10,000 you get the 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees will be the and excess in and closing stock. This way you have to and find out the 25,000 rupees calculate. This is the 25,000 rupees calculation and it will be and this is the answer.